Spoon, I'm ready. Oh, whoa! Wow.
I meant to just cheers it.
It's very violent around sugar. You gotta be careful.
No, I meant to cheers it. Here, just
Jeez. Well, hello, Life Disney and Beyond. Welcome. We are here at Disneyland, of all places.
Yay! We're so excited. It is the first day of Get Your Ears On celebration at Disneyland.
You have yours on?
I do. I got my ears on. I'm ready.
Good.
So we are basically celebrating the 90th birthday of Mickey and Minnie,
yes.
And Disneyland went all out, of course.
Oh, they did.
So they gave us a bunch of food, which we are going to try and get going on.
They even decorated both monorails. Look at this. Monorail blue and monorail red decorated with Mickey's. Unbelievable.
And let's not forget about how great Main Street looks.
Look at that with the bunting. Look at the split bunting between Minnie and Mickey. Equal billing. But if you notice, certain buildings on the top, Minnie has first billing, like top billing. In some buildings, Mickey has top billing. The one that's interesting to me that's split is the Firehouse. Walt's old apartment is split equal billing, which is kind of...
Oh, I love it.
Isn't that cool?
So not only do we get to enjoy all the wonderful decor, we get to go take this foodie guide.
That's just one side, you guys.
Notice I'm not holding it upside down this time. If you remember the churro challenge where I held it upside down.
Even on medication for oral surgery, you're holding it up correctly?
I'm still doing it right.
That's impressive.
So this is just the Disneyland side. There's also stuff for Valentine's Day on here.
It's massive, you guys. Look at this.
Yeah, we're even gonna do the DCA stuff. But right now, because it's day one, we're gonna go to the original Magic Kingdom here at Disneyland.
That's right.
Let's get started. Let's go get our food on and get that.
Our journey begins on Main Street.
Oh.
And they have it organized by line and all this good stuff. Looks like there's a birthday sundae at Gibson Girl.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, look at all this food. What are we gonna, oh my goodness, I didn't even realize it was this much. Let's just kind of look around and let's let our stomachs be our guide. Let's see what we stumble across.
Look at those mini cupcakes, Katie.
I feel like as much as I love Minnie, I would like the Mickey one better because it's chocolate.
I like the color too.
Yeah, it's really pretty.
They're really doing the yellow big time, the cartoon yellow, you know.
I think that the top is a Reese's peanut butter on top.
Wait, what?
Over at Jolly Holiday, there's 2 or 3 things going on for the celebration. One of them is the little Mouseketeer kind of little cakey thing that's over here at Jolly Holiday, but they sold out for right now, so we'll have to come back and get this tomorrow or Sunday. However, we were lucky enough to get the little Mickey Pants macaroon.
Oh, yeah.
Or macaron.
Thank you.
I knew it was coming. I knew it. I could just sense it. Like you were like, what? So I don't know. We didn't read the description on it. We don't know how this is going to taste at all. But it looks chocolatey on the inside.
I think it was like $5.99 or something.
Yeah, it was about $5.99. But it looks really good, so I'm going to hit this and try it. Or should we break it open? Should we just take a bite or break it open?
I say you take a bite.
Okay. Oh, that's good. Oh my gosh.
Oh, there's the marshmallow, right?
Is it marshmallow or is it vanilla? Let me try. I don't know what it is. But it's so good. Oh my gosh. I feel like it's vanilla. Or it's cream cheese maybe. It's cream cheese, I think. Yeah, that's gotta be it. That's why I like it so much.
Yeah, it's cheesecake.
It is, yeah. It's so good.
Now that I've had a moment.
We're gonna go buy another one.
Stay away from me.
Okay, so this is the cake pop we got over at the Candy Palace. We're gonna try it. He said it's vanilla, which I'm kind of just like about. And the ears are marshmallow and chocolate, so I feel like I'll like that. I'm gonna eat one now.
Ear. Oh yeah, marshmallow. I see it stretching.
That's good.
Oh, look at that. And
would you like a bite?
It's like the marshmallow is just on the ear, almost like independent.
That is the ear. You know that, right?
Yeah, that's. Oh, the marshmallows are the ears.
It's like the 60th. And
got it.
All right, do you want a bite of the cake though? Yeah. I took an ear for you. Here you go. You can tell us how it tastes. Is it good vanilla? Because you like vanilla so much? It looks good, actually. It looks like a very, very delicious. So what would you say it tastes like? I feel like you took a bite and then you just went
collapsed the whole thing.
And you just went for like eating it oh my gosh. Let me save you, Mickey, from this evil man.
It's like cake batter.
Oh, really? Then I might like it.
Almost like yellow cake batter, kind of.
Really?
Yeah.
Let me take a bite.
Tell me what you think. Right?
Yeah, good.
Right?
And I'm not a big vanilla fan, but that's good. I will say the macaron is way better.
Yeah, that wins for sure.
All right, we're gonna go get some more stuff.
All right, Toontown is the place today. Look at the crowds going in to the Toontown. They know, they know.
Do you think they're really here for the foods?
I don't know.
I guess we'll find out when we see the line.
Exactly. All right, this is where all the food is in Toontown.
We went over to Clarabelle's. You can do Minnie or Mickey. We went with Mickey because he's the big cheese and he's got the biggest shorts to fill.
And that is the kitchen sink because it has everything but the kitchen sink. There's even cake at the bottom, I'm told.
Are you being serious?
I'm dead serious. And look at the candle on top.
That's a candle?
Well, I think it's, oh, maybe it's supposed to be a hat.
I think it's a birthday or a unicorn.
Yeah, it's either a candle or a hat. I don't know. Anyways,
I like the cotton candy.
You can get vanilla or chocolate or the swirl. We got the swirl. Because you like chocolate and I like vanilla, and that's how we get along.
The swirl.
Yeah.
And then it looks like there's popcorn. I don't know. Let's just dig in, though. Let's do this.
Yeah, everything but the kitchen sink is in there, so let's enjoy.
Let's get Craig.
I got my spoon. I'm ready. Oh, whoa! Wow.
I meant to just cheers it.
It's very violent around sugar. You got to be careful.
No, I meant to cheers it. You're just
Jeez.
Wait, cheers now?
Yes.
Cheers. Okay, ready?
Hey, look! I just noticed something.
What did you just notice? The handles?
The Mickey hands for the sink. The hot
yeah.
and the cold for the sink. There they are.
I'm gonna eat this. Flip it.
I want to try. I've been looking at these chunks of brownie staring at me for a while here, so I'm kind of.
Oh, baby, I hit the cake.
But it's a balancing act too. You got to be careful here.
You gotta live your best life.
Well, this is the Get Your Ears On celebration, so in all of these foods we're trying, you got to eat the ear. And in this case, it's cotton candy. So
Fantastic.
just being responsible, Katie. That's really what
That's
you're
all
doing.
we're doing. We're being responsible
popcorn.
patrons.
There's the confetti cake you were talking about at the bottom. Look at that. So yeah, that's the best part, the cake part.
So would you say you could share this with like
3 or 4 people maybe?
and a heck of a treat, just a big mess. And look, we get souvenir shorts.
I was gonna say, you get to keep the kitchen sink.
I'm gonna eat my cereal in the morning out of this. So you can get either Mickey or Minnie over at Pluto's Dog House.
All right.
This is too cute to eat.
I know, look, on
Can
the
we
top.
just not eat it?
It's got the confetti going there.
Well, it smells good too.
What flavor is that cupcake?
I'm not sure. Oh no, it's cookie cupcake.
Okay, and it's the same ears as the Jolly Holiday
Yeah.
macaron, the chocolate discs.
And this is I think just vanilla buttercream.
Wow.
I don't want to eat it though.
Look at the little label.
Yeah, you can get, like I said, you can get Mickey or Minnie. Again, we went with Minnie because we did Mickey shorts, so
Exactly.
it makes sense. All right, let's do this. I think I'm gonna peel this back because it's a cookie cupcake, so I want to see, we want to get into the layers. I have ice cream on my spoon still. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, it's really tough. It's legit cookie.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
The whole thing's made of cookie?
Oh my gosh, it's like cookie dough.
Oh, weird.
Holy. All right, you're gonna try it.
Okay. Boy, thank you.
I'm like this. Is it cookie? It's like pure cookie, huh?
No.
With like a frosting?
It's literally a cookie. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Straight up.
Yeah.
Now, how would you compare it to Jack Jack's Cookie Num Nums?
Not as good as Cookie Num Num, sorry. It's an interesting idea, but I don't know.
It's softer in the middle.
Yeah. I prefer cupcakes better, to be honest with you, but it's an interesting take on it.
I think it's definitely something worth trying.
Yeah.
All right, this is bacon mac and cheese footlong hot dog.
Lord have mercy.
Oh, Lord. It's even got chives on it.
Almost looks, if you were to just zoom in past the hot dog, it looks like a baked potato.
You're right, almost.
And then
if
you
didn't
reveal.
know.
If you didn't know.
If you didn't know, there it is. It's a giant foot-long hot dog. All right, Spence.
I'm gonna dismantle the 2 ends and just go for, because I want to taste all of that.
Do you want me to dismantle the ends for you?
Yes, if you don't mind. Thank you for getting that down to a manageable size.
You're welcome. Whoa. Whoa.
It's good. It's like I said, mac and cheese and bacon and a hot dog. It's like, oh my
Can you really go wrong with it?
Not really.
I don't think you can. Looks delightful.
All right, Toontown, thank you for your celebration treats.
We enjoyed them a ton.
We did. It's been real sweet. Get it?
Sweet and cheesy.
Yeah.
We're gonna try and find at least one more savory item.
Yeah.
And one more sweet if all goes according to plan.
Yeah, I'm not satisfied yet. Let's keep
You're not satisfied.
I'm not.
I feel like they did so many things to eat. Like there is hundreds of things. This is gonna have to be 2 parts. Let's go over to Troubadour Tavern.
Ooh.
Right next to Mickey and the Magical Map.
Do I smell pretzels? Okay, we're over here at the Troubadour, right next to Mickey's Magical Map. And this is this crazy pretzel. What is it, Katie?
Okay, so it's topped with nacho cheese, crushed spicy onion chips, and smoked black salt. Okay, let's give it a bite.
Okay, we're gonna give it like a... Is it spicy?
A little bit, but it's good. Try that. It's
good.
like, if you're like a little bit of spice in your life, you'll like it. It's like,
it just gives a little...
not overly.
No, it just gives a nice extra kick to the pretzel that's normally just cheesy.
Yeah.
Just an extra little kick. It's pretty good.
And it looks gorgeous.
And you can take it right over to Magical Map and watch a show with it. This is something that we're definitely wanting to try. It's over at the Red Rose Tavern. It's the Mickey-inspired burger.
It looks really good, huh?
And it's very red, obviously.
Well, the first thought I had is it going to be spicy? So
yeah, I don't know.
I'm a little nervous if it's spicy, but it kind of just looks like a regular burger with like, you know, secret sauce on it.
But the cheese is kind of yellow and the bun is red.
It's kind of yellow.
Well, no, I mean for the Mickey colors.
Yeah, it works.
Katie's cutting my portion. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So it's $12.29 before annual pass holder discount. What's inside there?
Kind of looks like your basic burger.
But that bread through and through is red. Look at that.
I know, that's really cool.
Shrimp.
It's good. It's your basic burger, but it's really delicious.
So funny, this shot right now, everything is red. Your jacket and this thing you're eating, it's just like insane. Everything's
Perfection,
red.
huh?
Yeah. It's just food coloring then, basically. Okay, well that's cool.
But it's really good. The sauce is really good too. And it looks cool. Like,
no, it does.
That's awesome. I wish stuff like this was around all the time.
I know. That thing is legit. Look, it is absolutely legit. It's really good. All right, we came over to the Golden Horseshoe because right next door at the Stage Door Cafe.
At the Stage Door next door.
It really is a very special treat for Get Your Ears On.
Or for Valentine's Day.
Yeah, it's kind of a combo.
It's like for Get Your Ears On Valentine's Day, and it's the funnel of love.
Try your walk.
Get your funnel. Let's not forget.
I can smell it. It's like a strawberry cheesecake extravaganza.
Oh.
I can smell it. I can smell the strawberry. It's amazing.
I just want to take it away.
And this is a great place to come because Stage Door is almost like a takeout service in a sense.
Yeah.
A walk-up window, but you come next door to the Golden Horseshoe and enjoy yourself at a table like people because we're not animals.
No. It's a lot of fun though. It's really a nice place to sit, cool off during the day when it's hot.
It is, and
escape the rain.
Right behind us is the booth. It's like the special box that if you look across, the box that's on the other side right there, there's one of those boxes right behind us here where Walt and Lillian used to hang out. So we like to get this last table right here.
Does anybody know the story about how Walt climbed down and climbed onto that stage right there?
Yep.
Goofing around on their anniversary.
Hijinks.
Oh, cute.
That's a perfect story because now we will dive in head first.
Look at, there's a little white chocolate mini bow.
Oh, I didn't even notice that. So I can smell, like I said, it's like a strawberry shortcake kind of vibe I can smell.
It smells so good. Oh my gosh, there's bites of cheesecake.
Wow. It almost reminds me of a strawberry waffle. Am I right? And I haven't even tasted it yet.
That's so good.
I always like the obligatory bite, like with everything in it, right?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
And you know what's good? It's sweet, but it's not overly sweet because the berries are tart, or the strawberries are pretty tart. So
that's something special right there. That's different. I have not had anything.
It's the funnel of love. How annoying is that getting?
Very much yourself. This is very different than any of the funnel cakes that I've had here at Disneyland Resort. Definitely come try this one, you guys, and let us know what you think, because I definitely would recommend this.
You should come with your sweetheart and eat it together. And
with your sweet tooth, because you're gonna need it, this thing.
And maybe you could start singing annoyingly, "It's the funnel of love."
So that bad boy is $7.99 before annual pass holder discount. Right there at the Stage Door Cafe. That was a great way to finish it off for tonight, and we're just getting started.
It really was.
Just cracked the egg, as I said before, with the treats.
This is just part 1, so if you're ready for a part 2, if you're ready for DCA, you're ready for Galaxy's Edge, we're going to be covering everything. You don't want to miss that.
No, you don't.
You don't. Anyway, if you like this video, you dig it, give it a thumbs up.
Yep.
Most importantly, subscribe, and when you do subscribe, you'll see a little bell. Ding! Ding! Hit that, because then you'll know when we upload, you'll know when we go live. If you want to support Life Disney and Beyond, you can become one of our Patreon members. We'll link all the information on how to do so in the description box below.
That we will, and we will see you next time on Life Disney and Beyond. Bye-bye, everybody!
Bye.